Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create one video, the CyberArk components. What are the basic things that are needed in the CyberArk? What is the background you need to start a career in the CyberArk? And what are the main components of the CyberArk? And basic overview of the CyberArk that we are going to discuss in this video. So watch till end, and if you have any questions, you can put in the comment. If you need any other videos in the CyberArk, you can put in the comment so that you can make videos in the CyberArk on main issues. What are the common issues faced in daily BAU activities, in implementation activities, how implementation team works, how implementation work goes on. Because of the some privacy concerns, we are not able to make some videos public regarding the implementation and all those things from scratch. But for BAU activities, as the solutions are available on the community CyberArk community portal also, those answers we can make available over here. If you have any doubt or any concern regarding the CyberArk PAM solution, you can put in the comment. There are number of PAM solutions available in the market nowadays, but for this time also CyberArk is top in the Gartner quadrant. If you see news daily, so this is the PPT which is created by me mainly for the CyberArk to explain how to start and how to introduce the PAN. So, understanding privilege access management first. What is the privilege access management? That needs to understand because the first thing comes in the mind while starting a career in PAM, that itself states as a privilege access management. It is definitely it is the access management. We are managing access to the IDs, managing access to the identities, managing access to the persons who are trying to access the privilege accounts or privilege accounts, those who are having privilege access. The word itself tells the privilege means higher level or superpower access. What are those superpower access? Simple one example we can take. If we are having a simple ID of a user who has recently joined the organization. So for that user, we need to give some access first for that user ID, so that that user can perform specific actions in the system, or user can do specific work in the system. So suppose we will take one example. User has joined one organization and that user want to work as an administrator of a particular account or administrator. Suppose you can take example of a desktop administrator or server admin, you can, or Active Directory admin, or PAM itself, CyberArk admin. He want to work as, or his ID or her ID. We need to provide access in such a way that he can perform each and every action in his domain. So nowadays, what happens if that user is having privilege permissions? Privilege means super level permissions to perform any action. He can install anything in the system. He can delete anything from the system or from the server, or he can move files here and there, copy paste files here and there. So that will be a data breach concern to the organization if that user's ID is misused and files are moved from one system to another system illegally. The second concern, think that user is having all privilege access and his ID got breached, or what attacker tries nowadays, attacker will think of those IDs having privilege access only, because once he gets access to that particular ID, he can access everything in the system. He don't need to do any specific task for that, or don't need to get specific accesses in that system once he gets that privilege ID access. That is why that privilege access management came in the picture few days back. That was introduced by a few organizations. Then tools came in the market. Nowadays, it is in the digital area that is in the high level. So I hope you have understand in simple language what is privilege access management. Those IDs having privilege accesses. We are managing those IDs having privilege accesses means superpower accesses. You can do anything as an administrator, okay, as I explained to you. So privilege accounts, I already explained to you. Privilege accounts are critical for system access, but unmanaged accesses pose significant risk, leading to potential breaches and unauthorized actions that could compromise organizational security. That point we have already explained. That organizational security could be compromised. How that could be compromised? I have taken one example of a data breach. Okay. If and the second point is importance of PAM. Why PAM is required? PAM is crucial in cybersecurity, defending against attacks such as pass the hash and credential theft, which exploit weak access controls and leads to severe data breaches and damages. So the data breach example already you have taken. Passing the hash, credential theft can happen. Once credentials are theft, that you hacker can access that user's ID and take access of the system and do anything. So these are the challenges. What challenges previously used to face before coming the PAM into the picture. So now we are going to check what is the role of CyberArk. What CyberArk is going to perform a role in this activity. We will simply read this. CyberArk enhances organization security frameworks by providing comprehensive solutions that manage and monitor privilege access, ensuring that sensitive information and systems are adequately protected. So that CyberArk will ensure that the IDs, whoever having the privileged access, who those IDs should be protected, should be monitored properly. Those IDs passwords should be rotated on a daily basis, 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, or 90 days. Whatever organization policy is there, as per policies, we can rotate those IDs passwords. We can give access to those passwords to the particular specific